The packing box contains a test card, a cotton swab and a diluent. Step 1. Tear the package of the cotton swab. Put the cotton swab in the mouth, between the upper cheek and the gums and wipe it back and forth for several times. And then hold the swab for 2 minutes until the secretion produced in the mouth is soaked through the sampling swab. Step 2. Put the sampling swab into the diluent bottle, repeatedly stir, and squeeze it out, and mix evenly. Step 3. Tear open the packing of the sample adding card. And add 3 drops of the mixed sample into the sample adding hole on the test card. Step 4. Observe the results within 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the results are invalid.